Some cars feel good to buy, but these Lexus models feel good to own forever. Today, we're looking at 7 Lexus cars you'll never regret buying. The ones mechanics trust, owners love, and time can't break. Let's begin. The first car on our list is the 2008 Lexus LS 460, a luxury sedan that still feels years ahead of its time. When you sit behind the wheel, the first thing you notice is the silence. Lexus engineered this car so well that even after more than a decade, the cabin remains incredibly quiet and insulated from the outside world. Under the hood, you get a smooth and refined 4.6-liter V8 engine. It's powerful when you need it, but never aggressive. The acceleration is effortless, the steering is stable, and the suspension glides over bumps like they're not even there. This is the kind of car you take on a long road trip and step out feeling refreshed. Inside, everything is built to perfection. Real leather, soft-touch materials, and a timeless design that hasn't aged a day. Many owners say the LS 460 is the most reliable luxury sedan they've ever had. And it's not unusual to see these cars go well over 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. If you want comfort, durability, and true Lexus craftsmanship, the 2008 LS 460 is still one of the best choices you can make. The 2011 Lexus ES 350 is one of those cars that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy true luxury. This model became famous for being smooth, quiet, and unbelievably reliable. And even today, it remains one of the safest bets in the entire used car market. When you start driving the ES 350, the first thing you feel is refinement. The 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers just the right amount of power. Not too aggressive, not too weak, but perfectly balanced for everyday comfort. Acceleration is silky, the transmission shifts without any hesitation, and the suspension absorbs rough roads like you're floating on a cushion of air. Lexus specifically tuned this model for a relaxed premium ride, and it shows in every kilometer. Inside the cabin, you're greeted with the classic Lexus atmosphere. Soft leather seats, real wood accents, and a layout that's simple, elegant, and built to last. Unlike many modern cars that rely heavily on screens, the 2011 ES 350 gives you physical controls that feel solid and satisfying to use. The driving position is extremely comfortable, and long trips feel effortless thanks to excellent seat support and minimal cabin noise. One of the biggest reasons the ES 350 is so loved is its dependability. This car shares much of its mechanical DNA with the legendary Toyota Camry, and that means fewer problems, cheaper maintenance, and parts that are easy to find. It's not uncommon to see ES 350S hitting 250,000 or even 300,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic care. Many mechanics actually recommend this exact generation because the 3.5 V6 is known for running clean, staying strong, and rarely developing serious issues. On the road, the ES 350 feels calm and predictable, perfect for seniors, families, or anyone who values peace over performance. The steering is light but confident, the body stays stable around corners, and the brakes respond smoothly without being jumpy. Even after all these years, the ride quality rivals newer luxury models, and the sound insulation is still impressive. You hear almost nothing from the outside world, making every drive feel premium. And here's what really stands out: value. The 2011 ES 350 gives you the luxury and comfort of high-end German sedans, but without the expensive repairs and surprise maintenance bills. It's the kind of car people buy and keep for years because it simply works. No drama, no constant check engine lights, no headaches. If you want a car that's elegant, long-lasting, smooth to drive, and inexpensive to maintain, the 2011 Lexus ES 350 is easily one of the smartest choices on the used market. It's reliable enough for daily commuting, comfortable enough for long road trips, and classy enough to feel special every time you sit inside. The 2010 Lexus GX 460 is the perfect choice if you want a luxury SUV that drives like a tank, but feels like a premium lounge inside. This model is built on a full-size body-on-frame platform, the same style used in serious off-road trucks, which means durability is one of its biggest strengths. Even after many years, the GX 460 feels solid, confident, and ready for any road you throw at it. Under the hood, you get a smooth 4.6-liter V8 engine that's known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. It's powerful enough to tow, strong enough for steep climbs, and refined enough to cruise quietly on the highway. Despite being a rugged SUV, the ride quality is surprisingly soft thanks to Lexus's adaptive suspension, which absorbs bumps like they're nothing. Inside, the GX remains true to Lexus luxury. Premium leather seats, a tall, commanding driving position, and a quiet cabin make this SUV feel far more expensive than it is on the used market. The 3-row layout also gives you space for family, friends, or extra cargo. The best part? Reliability. The 2010 GX 460 is famous for being one of the longest-lasting luxury SUVs ever made. Many owners report passing 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance. If you want a tough, elegant, and extremely dependable SUV, the 2010 GX 460 is one of the strongest choices you can make. The 2010 Lexus RX 350 is one of the most beloved and trusted luxury SUVs ever built, and there's a very good reason for that. This model hits the sweet spot between comfort, reliability, and everyday practicality, making it a favorite among families, seniors, and anyone who simply wants a car that never gives them trouble. When you start driving the RX 350, the first thing you notice is how effortless everything feels. The 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers smooth, consistent power without any loud noises or harsh vibrations. It accelerates cleanly, and the transmission shifts so gently that many owners say they barely feel it change gears. Whether you're in city traffic or cruising on the highway, the RX feels relaxed, stable, and incredibly easy to handle. One of the biggest highlights of the 2010 RX 350 is the ride quality. Lexus engineered the suspension to absorb rough roads so well that even older models still glide over potholes like a brand new car. The cabin remains quiet at all speeds, thanks to excellent insulation and high-quality build materials. It's the kind of SUV where you can have a full conversation at highway speed without raising your voice. Step inside, and you see why the RX remains a benchmark for luxury crossovers. Soft leather seats, a clean dashboard design, and a comfortable driving position make every trip feel enjoyable. The seats are supportive, the visibility is excellent, and everything inside the cabin feels solid. No cheap plastics, no rattles, no aging issues that you normally see in other 2010 SUVs. Lexus knew their customers wanted comfort first, and they delivered exactly that. Practicality is another big reason this car has such a loyal following. The cargo space is generous, the rear seats fold flat, and you get plenty of room for groceries, luggage, or everyday errands. Families love it because it's safe and predictable. Older drivers love it because it's easy to drive, doesn't feel bulky, and requires almost no effort to maneuver. But perhaps the most important feature of the 2010 RX 350 is its legendary reliability. This model shares much of its engineering with Toyota, and that means long-term durability is almost guaranteed. It's extremely common to see these SUVs hit 250,000 or even 300,000 miles without major issues. Mechanics often recommend this exact generation because it avoids the complicated turbocharged engines and fragile systems that newer cars rely on. Instead, it uses proven technology that lasts. Fuel economy is also impressive for a V6 luxury SUV from this era. Owners regularly get better mileage than expected, and maintenance costs stay low thanks to widely available Toyota parts. No expensive surprises, no weird electronic failures, just dependable performance year after year. Overall, the 2010 Lexus RX 350 is the definition of a safe and smart used car purchase. It's smooth, quiet, luxurious, durable, and incredibly easy to live with. Whether you're commuting, taking long road trips, or just running daily errands, this SUV delivers a premium experience without the premium headaches. If you want comfort, reliability, and long-term value in one package, the 2010 RX 350 is still one of the best choices on the market. The 2013 Lexus GS 350 is one of those rare luxury sedans that blends performance, comfort, and long-term reliability into a single, beautifully engineered package. This model marked a major turning point for the GS lineup. Lexus redesigned it to be sportier, more modern, and more competitive with German luxury brands, while still keeping the bulletproof dependability Lexus is known for. When you first get behind the wheel of the GS 350, you'll immediately notice how athletic it feels. The 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers strong, confident acceleration, and the car responds instantly when you press the gas pedal. It's quick, but never uncontrolled. Lexus wanted the GS 350 to have a sporty character without sacrificing comfort, and they nailed the balance perfectly. The steering feels sharp and precise, the body stays planted around corners, and the drive is engaging in a way many Lexus sedans simply weren't before this model year. One of the standout features of the 2013 GS 350 is its suspension system. Lexus engineered it to absorb bumps and rough roads while still giving the driver a sense of connection. You won't feel disconnected from the road, but you also won't be bothered by imperfections. It's the best of both worlds. Combined with the solid chassis design, the GS feels stable, confident, and extremely refined at all speeds. Inside, the 2013 GS 350 brings a level of luxury that rivals, and in some cases exceeds, its German competitors. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials, soft leather, real wood or aluminum trim, and a beautifully crafted dashboard. The seats are supportive for long trips. The driving position is excellent, and the interior layout feels modern even today. Lexus also introduced their widescreen infotainment display in this generation, making the cabin feel more futuristic compared to earlier models. But the real magic of the GS 350 lies in its long-term dependability. While many luxury sedans from 2013 are plagued by electrical problems, turbocharger failures, or fragile transmissions, the GS 350 remains incredibly solid. Its naturally aspirated V6 engine is known for running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. The 6-speed automatic transmission is durable, predictable, and far less complicated than the multi-clutch systems used by some competitors. As a result, maintenance is affordable, and major mechanical issues are rare. Owners also love how quiet the GS 350 is. Even at highway speeds, wind and road noise are kept to a minimum, giving you a calm and premium driving experience. And thanks to Lexus's exceptional build quality, the interior holds up beautifully over time. No peeling trim, no rattles, no fading buttons. This car ages gracefully. Practicality is another plus. The GS offers a spacious trunk, comfortable rear seats, and a cabin that works equally well for daily commuting or long-distance travel. Safety features were ahead of their time too, with available blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and advanced braking systems. In short, the 2013 Lexus GS 350 is a luxury sedan that checks every box: sporty performance, first-class comfort, long-term reliability, and timeless design. If you want a car that feels exciting to drive but won't drain your wallet with constant repairs, the GS 350 remains one of the smartest choices in the used luxury market. The 2011 Lexus IS 350 is the perfect choice for drivers who want compact luxury with real performance. This model blends sharp handling, a powerful engine, and Lexus-level reliability into a sporty, compact package that still feels modern today. Under the hood, the 3.5-liter V6 delivers strong acceleration and an instantly responsive feel. It's one of the smoothest V6 engines Lexus has ever built, and it gives the IS 350 a lively character without sacrificing refinement. The steering is tight and precise, and the suspension keeps the car stable and controlled in corners, making it a fun daily driver that still maintains a premium ride. Inside, the IS 350 offers high-quality materials, supportive seats, and a cockpit-style layout that wraps around the driver. Everything feels solid, well-built, and designed to last. Even after more than a decade, the buttons, leather, and trim pieces hold up impressively well. What makes the 2011 IS 350 especially appealing is its long-term dependability. The 2011 Lexus CT 200h is one of the most unique vehicles Lexus has ever built. It's a compact luxury hatchback, it's hybrid, it's incredibly fuel efficient, and it's designed for people who want long-term reliability without giving up premium comfort. Even today, this model stands out because it combines the heart of a Toyota Prius with the refinement of a Lexus. And that combination is almost unbeatable when it comes to durability and running costs. When you start driving the CT 200h, the first thing you notice is the calm, quiet nature of the hybrid system. At low speeds, the car runs almost silently on electric power. As you accelerate, the 1.8-liter hybrid engine kicks in seamlessly. It's not a performance car, and it's not meant to be, but the smoothness and efficiency make it perfect for daily commuting, city driving, and long trips where comfort matters more than raw speed. The handling, however, may surprise you. Unlike the Prius, the CT 200h has a sport-tuned suspension that gives it a more controlled and confident feel on the road. The steering is precise, the body stays stable in corners, and the car feels planted even at higher speeds. Lexus designed it to feel more like a sporty hatchback rather than a soft hybrid, and the result is a car that's enjoyable to drive while still being incredibly efficient. Inside the cabin, the CT 200h delivers the luxury experience people expect from Lexus. You get high-quality leather, soft-touch materials, and a cockpit-style layout that feels premium and driver-focused. The seats are supportive, visibility is excellent, and the interior design still looks stylish even more than a decade later. Many owners say the CT feels far more upscale than its price suggests, especially when compared to other compact hybrids. One of the biggest reasons people love the CT 200h is its unbelievable reliability. Because it shares much of its engineering with the legendary Toyota Prius, it inherits the same long-lasting hybrid battery system and durable components.